Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well on this sunny Sunday. I just wanted to check in and see how everybody's holding up. We had a lot happen in this last week because that's how summer goes, but I wanted to just run through the next module for you guys so that you know what's up and coming. So you've had the syllabus with you the whole time, so you know that that's how you can access things that are not already visible to you. So if you wanted to get a head start on the socialization paper, you could have done that. The module for socialization, which is module 4, is now open for you. And within that module is the socialization paper, which is due on June 20th, which is in 3 days. I know that's crazy that it seems like it's going by really fast, but that's kind of the way summer goes. And remember, you signed up for this. So here is the topic, and it is kind of an autobiography but with a sociological bent to it. So you're going to need to think about yourself in terms of one of the 3 main theories that you've read about. So you've read about functionalist theory, conflict theory, and symbolic interactionist theory, and you've seen the videos. And in every chapter they refer back to those 3 main theories. So you're going to use one of those 3 theories and apply it to your autobiography. And you're also going to look at the different agents of socialization that are in the textbook. And so they're pages 101 to 103, but let's together go see them so that we're on the same page. Basically, how we're socialized depends on a lot of different things, but one of them is kind of what did we grow up with? What did we learn about? So here it's actually laid out right in the module. It says Agents of Socialization. So you click on 5.3 and it's going to take you right there. So you're going to be able to look at the many agents of socialization. So if you think about it, what kinds of things made you who you were, right? So the book discusses family, and then it goes into peer groups and institutional agents like school, maybe religion, the workplace, government, mass media. So all of those things, plus gender, right? So gender would be something that affects how we're socialized. So all of those things are going to be things you're going to be considering when you write this paper. And let's go back to the paper because I want to make sure you see some of the other things. Where did it go? It is right here. Okay. So the module societies and socialization are in the next module, so I'll make sure to open those for you as well. So the socialization format paper is 8 to 10 pages, double spaced, and I need 3 sources, okay? So one of them can be the textbook, one of them can be up to you, but the third one has to be an academic journal. So the COM library page that you have access to on our homepage, you can go in there and do some searching through that if you're not physically near the campus. But if you need to also go into the librarians are great about helping, so you can get help that way. Student accessibility services, let's see, no. Library, here you go. Click here for the library. So you'll get to the library site, you'll use your login, and you'll be able to do some academic journal searching. If you have questions about that, please email me. I know for some of you this is probably the first time you've done this, but that's kind of the way it works in college. We want to see that you're able to use an academic source and cite it appropriately. And so in terms of citation, you can use MLA, unless you prefer APA or ASA, that's fine, but technically MLA is probably the one that you might want to work with anyways because it's one that you'll use throughout your college career. So this also gives you the link to the Writing Center on campus, and so you can either get online support or you can get face-to-face support if you want to walk in. So here's the rubric that you can see, you'll be able to look at, and it's it's specific to the assignment and the ability that you can apply one of the main theories. And then there's other criteria that are related to kind of where we are in terms of what we've learned so far. All right? So if you have any further questions, I'd love you to email me. And hang in there, because summer goes by quick, but once it's done, it's done. So I know you can do it. I know you're motivated. You wouldn't have signed up for summer if you weren't. So hang in there, and I look forward to reading all your papers. Take really good care. Bye-bye.